What is going on, guys? So I built these headlights a while back, and I wanted to just, I guess, kind of show y'all what I did. And I don't know if this is legal or not. That's the first disclaimer. But I've been having this done for about 8 months now, and nobody flashes me. I've been pulled over multiple times for tint, and they haven't seemed to say anything about it. But first things first, here's my low beams. I use the Ridgid fog lights, which these are DOT and SAE approved. But what I did was I flipped the label upside down, so you see the writing is upside down, and the headlights from being outside are actually starting to chip up close. So yeah, I've had these for a while. I flipped the front bracket upside down so that the mounting points would be up top. These I was able to leave normal. So what I did was on the back, there's pretty much holes drilled, all cut out on the back, scooted them as far back as I could. The truck is leveled. Well, it's got a 2.5 inch on it. So it kind of squats a 1/4 inch. So as far as my low beams, I got this one aimed down as far as I could. This one aimed down as far as I could. This one aims straight ahead, and this one aims a little bit to the right. That way I have a wider span. I was actually going to show y'all the low beams. So they're scattered all over the place, but you see how it's a nice straight, right there it's nice and straight. You can tell I did this one second. But as far as the beam pattern, it's nice and straight, so nobody's gonna flash you. You're not gonna blind anybody. Here's just a quick view of what they look like at night. Right now I have just my parking lights on, which is the running white time lights. I got the yellow side markers just for try to stay legal. But here's the low beams. You can see it's kind of got a straight cut off. My parking lights shine up a little bit past that beam. See when they turn white. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the brights on. But here's the low beams, here's the brights, so there's lows again. It's not too crazy, but it gets the job done. Like I said, I don't know if this is legal, but I mean, to me, it's pretty much the same thing as a projector light. So before I did this, I did some research, and regular LED bulbs that you see in F250 Platinums and stuff like that, they're 1700 lumens, and these fog lights are 1700 lumens. So kind of what I did for that. Same thing with the switchbacks. The blinkers are yellow like they're supposed to be, and then they go white as running lights. Now, as far as my high beams, I have I don't know which one is which, but I think this one is the flood beam and this one's a spot, or one of them's a spot and one of them's a flood. I actually did mess up. Instead of putting I think this side I did right. I put the spot and then the flood. But on this side, I messed up. I put the flood then the spot. I wanted the flood to go outside, but it is what it is. So, yeah, here's what it looks like. All I did was buy some cheap aftermarket $100 headlights off Car ID, and then, because those are easier to crack open, because then you got these little clips sewed together with some of that, you know, just headlight sealant that you can find online. But yeah, that is it. Hope this gives y'all an idea on what y'all can do. Like I said, I don't know if it's legal, but as far as a show truck, if you were to want to do something like this, I've never seen anybody have a full set of pod lights in their headlights. That's what I really was going for. I've seen the regular headlight and the high beams, but I want them to all be pods. So yep. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all want to try this, go ahead and give it a shot and send me some pictures. But stay tuned, and see y'all on the next one.